It has been the delight of my life. It has been a deep, deep source of joy and of meaning, beyond anything I could have imagined. Absolutely astonishing. And for so many reasons and in so many ways. But I take one, just this, the experience of getting to know someone whom I love but who is dead is a very strange and wonderful thing. It's a one-way relationship, obviously. He's getting nothing out of this. But although, my mother says, oh, he would kvel if he, okay, but we don't get to kvel after we die. It's a sad thing. So that's what I believe. But for me, getting to know him is such a privilege because he's a brilliant, brilliant, funny, interesting, fascinating, tormented man. And I mentioned that I was a poet. The Chelm book begins, 5 Foren von Chelm kein Schedlitz. Okay, so the Chelm book begins with this wordplay. In English, it just means 5 wagons rode from Chelm to Schedlitz. But in Yiddish, 5 Foren von Chelm kein Schedlitz. And as a poet, the fact that my grandfather delighted in wordplay was something I didn't know about him. I didn't remember it. I didn't know it. No one ever mentioned it to me, that he was a storyteller. I remembered him as a storyteller, but I didn't remember his love of language and his delight in puns, his delight in alliteration. For a poet, it's just like, that's where I got it from. There's my well. There's my kindred spirit. So that was just fantastic.